How to download CapCut in your PC or laptop. Let's get started. You can simply install CapCut from the Microsoft Store. For that, click on Microsoft Store from your device and in the search bar, search for CapCut. After that, go to CapCut, open up CapCut. You can view more information regarding CapCut under here. Now, if you have an installed CapCut in your device, there will have an option as Get It. You can simply click on it. In my case, I have already installed. After you click on Get It, the CapCut application will be installed and downloaded in your device. After that, you can simply open up the application and log in and start using CapCut to edit your videos. But if you can't download from the Microsoft Store, then what you can do is open up any web browser in your device. And in the search URL, search for CapCut for PC. Then head over to the first link. It says www.capcut.com. After that, from the official website of this CapCut, there will have an option as download for free either in your interface or at the top right corner. You can simply click on it. After that, the CapCut is now installed. You can simply open this app, set up in your device and log in into your account to start using CapCut to edit your videos. So in this way, you can download and install CapCut in your laptop or PC, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.